Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Algae Complete. What is BioGuard Algae Complete? BioGuard Algae Complete is an extremely efficient and rapid-working algae eliminator. All types of algae do not stand a chance against this product. Some of them, for example, are green algae, mustard algae, and black algae. Algae Complete was designed to be compatible with most swimming pool sanitizers and is a non-foaming product. When used correctly, this product is profoundly effective. Product benefits: kills and prevents all types of algae. Works with most types of sanitizers except biguanide. The formula does not stain pools. Dosage: prevention dosage. Initially apply 8 ounces of this product per 10,000 gallons of pool water. Thereafter, for weekly application, add 1 1/2 ounces per 10,000 gallons of pool water. For 2-week application intervals, add 3 ounces per 10,000 gallons of water every other week. Visible algae dosage: add 16 ounces of this product per 10,000 gallons of pool water. For more detailed instructions, please see the label. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.